Hey guys, today we have with us the AT&T Universal Bluetooth headphones with built-in mic. This is AT&T's venture into the audio industry. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. The box looks pretty aesthetic and it's got the specifications on the back. It's got a Bluetooth 2.1 version with a 30 feet range. Now let's open up the box. The box contains the headphones themselves and the micro USB cable and an audio cable. The headphones seem pretty sturdy. It is foldable, which means it's easy to store. However, they do not rotate. The foam does not seem like memory foam, but it seems comfortable nevertheless. The headphones are also pretty flexible. They are retractable and it is reinforced by steel. The buttons on the headphone include the power button, the play pause button, the call end button and the volume controls. The underside of the headphone has the 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB charging output. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing. Thank you for watching and yeah, goodbye.